Hello. All right. So I am. Let's see here. All right, we've got Visual Studio Code opened up. It might be really small, but you can hopefully zoom in and see this. Actually, I can make this bigger, can't I? I'm going to go to OBS, click on the display capture. And then oh, it's locked. That's why. So let's do this. Let's hit the go live button on it. And we're gonna do that. Right about there. All right. That. All right. So H1 element. Let's say we have. What is this? Oh. There we go. HTML, head, body. We have the H1 element. This is the main heading or title of the page. You should only have one H1 element when making web pages because Google and other searches look for the H1 element, and that is what they think the whole page is about, and it weights the search to this. If you have multiple elements that are H1, it gets confused and doesn't like it and says you're trying to spam it. So not the best. Is usually the top level heading, main title or section, or the page. And we can do some fun stuff. Let's see here. We can copy. We're gonna have a second one just to show some examples. All right, we're going to jump into CSS world with styles. That's right, style. We can do lots of different styling. We're gonna give this a style attribute from CSS, and then we're gonna say what value. What are we gonna do here? We're gonna do color. Let's give it a color. We just type in the word color, a colon, and then we can choose the color. We can click on it in VS Code, or we can write the word blue, and I think it will know. Boom, look at that. It knows. And if you look at our example, there it is. It is blue. So let's keep going with this. We have other things we can do. Let's change the size of it. Even though H1 is already a set size, we're going to go inside these quotation marks. So we got the style equal quotation, color. So after blue, I'm going to do a space. Nope, a space. And then we're going to, sorry, not a space, a semicolon. And now we're doing a second value. So this first part, color blue, is one value, and then we're saying, this is like having a comma in a sentence. So if you're writing regular sentences and I have 3 fruits, and you say, this is not the best sentence, an apple, banana, and pear. This semicolon is like having a comma. Like this, it's making a short little list of things. It's saying, here's the next thing. So the next thing we're gonna have, and delete this sentence at the bottom, go back up to our quote, our attribute with our values inside of it, and we're gonna come in here, and we're gonna write the font size. Font, oh, look at all this. We got all these options here. Font size, weight, family, style, display, variant, features. I would suggest that you just start clicking on these things and see what they do, and if you can figure it out. You may not be able to. That's fine. But right now we're going to do font size. Oh, we got more options. It gave me preset options. Large, larger, medium, small. We got a bunch of different percentage stuff. We got more interesting things. Don't know what those are. We're going to say pixels. Let's say it's 24px. This is how tall it will be. Oh, it's not very tall, is it? It just changed it. What if we do 240px? Oh dear. That, we changed it from being 24 pixels tall to 240. So if you can count, if you could zoom in, you could count 240 pixels on this exact screen. Let's see what 1 pixel looks like. Will it even show up if it's 1 pixel tall? There it is. 1 pixel. I assume it would just be little squares. We couldn't even see it. So 1 pixel. Here's 10 pixels. That's how tall 10 pixels is. But we're gonna go with let's say 30. We're just testing stuff out, trying to break it. What other colors can we do here? Any color. Look at this. We can choose any of the colors. Ooh, that one's hard to see. Too bright on the white. Let's go down to the darker. There we go. All right. What other? Let's see. Well, no, we're just going to call it that. We're going to call it a day. So if you want to do more for your heading, this is a way to do it. You can put inline styles. Now this is in between, so you have the open angle bracket H1, a space, and then you write the word style equal, and then you have a quotation, and then inside of the quotations, you can put as many different styling attributes, styling elements, styling, I can't think of the right words, styling syntax, as many things as you want in here. You can make this super long. But then you have a quotation, close angle bracket, and then you have what will be shown. This is what you're styling. So H1 over to this little angle bracket is saying everything in my H1 here will be styled like this. And this is all that's inside of the H1. This all about Mario up here is not inside the H1. Mario's hats are not inside the this exact H1. This one with this style. Mario's hats is outside of it. So we can control in a very specific detail. Let's even do this. We're gonna style one letter. Let's take this A, and we'll just style. Let's see if we can style it. I'm not quite sure how. Oh, whoa! Look what I did. I'm breaking stuff. This is great. So it took that style and pasted it all over everything. Let's give it a P. Let's say that this A oh, that's an inline. I'm learning here. Oh, how do we? Can we just put style? A? All? No, didn't work. Well, don't know how to do what I want to do. I'll have to learn about it. I can get it back to how it was. There we go. Got it. So that's it. That's inline text heading styling. Here's just a couple of quick things. That's it. So, and you're using CSS inline. This actual style, just so those of you who've heard the word CSS, C and then S is style. And the C stands for cascading. And then this S, the first S stands for style. And the second S stands for sheets. Cascading style sheets. All right.